Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
All right, I'm gonna check out this Nuke here, MSI. Love the Nuke myself. I'm a big fan. Fingerprint reader on the actual power. 2 USBs, USB Type C's, Type A's, and then Type C's. In the back, you do have a Thunderbolt. That's what I like. So you can put your GPU E connections to it. 2 HDMI's, 2 RJ45s, another Thunderbolt, 2 Thunderbolts. Do you know what Thunderbolt is, 5 or 4 on this one? 4?
Right now.
And this is a larger one, but it's a lot slower, you said?
Yeah, it's Core Intel Intel Core 3
processor. Now, can I ask you,
the N200 and N300.
if I buy this one, would it come with memory and M.2? M.2?
It have 2 options, either barebone or with fully loaded.
Okay.
The fully loaded is like 1500.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
And we also design a toolless maintenance door
Yeah.
that can very easily to open the case.
Oh, I like that. I like that. So
very easy
add
to
your own
operate.
memory on here, your own drive, your M.2, 2 of them. You could do
One module.
A module.
And M.2 SSD. One SSD.
Oh, the 20 millimeters, is it? 20
Yes.
millimeters? And then you could, or 60,
Yes.
1 or 2. So 2 would be the 40 and then the 20. Something like that. I forgot the millimeters, but this is the inside. Of course, all the built-in, the fans are on the other side that you can't remove it until you remove the whole thing. You got 2 slots for your SIM-DIMM, DDR5, and
Right now it's just USB.
USB
Not
on that one?
USB.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's not enough room in there. Yeah. Okay. Love the whole thing set up. And then maintenance, he's gonna put it back. You don't need to remove the screws. Look at that.
Yes, very easy.
Yeah. The only problem I see is the value. It's a little expensive. If it was under 500, I would say maybe I would be interested.
Yeah, we'll have a mainstream scale by middle of this year. Yeah, and it will support the Thunderbolt, and we are considering to put the tourist design in the mainstream scale.
Yeah, I love it because of the Thunderbolt.
Yeah.
You got me because of the Thunderbolt. I want to get one of these and test it out, so I am going to buy one when it comes out.
Sure.
So I'll reach out to one of your marketing guys.